There it is. Corn. Yeah.
How was your trip?
See how she screams at him?
Wow.
Oh yeah, she's pissed. You bunch of thieves. Grandma's got some food up here. Anybody dare step past me, I'm going after you. Here it comes.
There it is. Wow. Look at this.
There she is. Look at her. She can't fight the whole group. She's yakking out.
There's too many of them.
Come on, Grandma's got some up here. Never mind now. Come on.
Oh.
You want something to eat? Come on. See what she does? Taking off, seeing if she can chase him.
It's probably like 50s or, yeah, more than that. Look at these,
And the geese are sitting down there like they're statues.
yeah.
When the geese get left alone, one of them tried to join the ducks. The ducks don't want them.
Too many. Some are here. Whoa. There it is.
Oh yeah, they're all eating their peanuts. Ready?
No!
There's such a big group, we don't want them to eat the 50-pound bag I just put out. Come on, I'm not putting another bag out, she'll say.
Yeah.
I'm not putting out 2 bags a day, never mind 1. Jesus Christ. As it is, I have to go to the store every other day. I'll have to get a job.
Wow. Like only a few colors right now. Sometimes I saw like pure black, but not much here.
No. No. Probably down south. Dark brown we have. The brown ones are usually, those are vicious.
See, the small are not here. Like the birds are gone. They're scared.
Yeah, they'll come back.
They're big.
Well, because of all that was going on, they're not going to hang around for that. Too much.
Yep. Say goodbye to the corn.
It's filler food.
And the geese are scared.
They're not scared of anything, the geese.
They're just...
No, they don't like the laser light when it's dark. They don't like it.
You stop eating. They stop eating.
Yeah, they're not worried. They've taken over the lawn. Do you want me to make them fly again?
Yes.
Yes. You can do it. You were up here.
All right.
You just offered. Roar!
There it is. So they're not coming back again?
Well, they will. They just landed in the water. Oh, yeah. See?